So this is the part where I gush about how much I absolutely love this hair. The color is freaking phenomenal. It's amazing. It's a rich color. It's like a dark auburn, brownish reddish. I don't know. I am in love with this color. I love it so much. I love the density of this hair. It's super thick from root to tip. It's not like thin. It doesn't get thin at all like some other people. I didn't have any issues with shedding or, tangling or anything like that. This hair is just really, really great hair. Nadula is probably one of my favorite hair companies. Honestly, their hair is great and it serves every single time. And I honestly love how much, um, not how much, but I love how this style looks on me, like the side part with the edges, with the straight. It is doing what I need to do, what I need it to do. Anyways, like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Adios till next time.